Hi Yana, so here is a very quick first pass. I just thought I'd react as quickly as I could to give you some ideas. Normally I have some photos and a scribble or something to go on before I start throwing ideas at people, but I had a few minutes, so here we go. This is your space. It would be good to know exactly where this door sits and some photos. If there's skirting boards, if there's light switches, anything like that, it's really good to know where they are. But let me just take you through the kit I've put in. At the back, on the back wall, I'm just going to section that off. On the back wall I've got two 45cm bays. Elfa bays come in standard widths, 60cm and 45cm. You wouldn't have been able to get excuse me, two 60s in here. It's probably worth looking at a 60 and a 45 in time, but these shoe racks are reasonably efficient products. I like using them. If you use the 60, the one pair of shoes gets split between the front and the back, but they're all good products. So you've got hanging up at the top. I always encourage clients to go as high as they can with the hanging, and this very long thin bay here, non-standard width, it might be that this rail moves up a little bit and you've got, you know, sort of double hanging there, or you just have some very long coat hanging in that bay. Let's look at what I've done on the sides, getting rid of out of that section view. On this side I've created double hanging. This hanging is easily to adjust, so easy to adjust. You can move it up and down very quickly and easily. I thought that was nice to have some, deliberately have some low hanging there. I don't know how old your kids are, but as they grow the system can grow, but at the moment I've given them some low hanging there. On the other side, some general shelves. That's perhaps better for tiny kids' shoes, things like that. These two shelves, it's called a basket shelf. It's basically a flat wire shelf like this, but with this slight upstand, and these end panels, they can, if you include a few more of these, they can be used to subdivide these basket shelves. These are great for hats, gloves, small odds and sods, purses, handbags, just the kind of stuff you want by the door and reasonably well organised. You could have more shelves here, but I've shown a bit more hanging up there, no particular reason. What I've shown on the left and the right can all be mixed up. Those are also standard 45cm bays, so if you wanted additional shoe racks in here, you could have that. I believe Elfa still make a 45 wide shoe rack specifically for stilettos or lady shoes with a defined heel, so if you did have a fair number of those, it's worth replacing one or two of these with the wire shelf rack, shoe rack, sorry, just because it is slightly more efficient. You can get a good many more pairs on there. So here are my basic ideas. If you want to come back with some feedback, let's get into another version. If none of this is right, tell me what you do want. I'm sure the Elfa system can deliver it. I hope that's helpful. Bye bye.